Hello and welcome to this CSGO lesson. Today I will be watching one of my own highlights. You sometimes get some confidence by watching your own highlights to sometimes remember how good you can actually be. So that's what we're doing today. This round is a round against the OG from IM Katowice. We're playing on Ancient on the CT side. Let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going towards Cave. That's my spot on this map. It's getting smoked off here in the beginning and it looks like OG is doing a full A round. They're not coming towards my side this round, but let's see what I'm going towards middle. It looks like I'm cheating. I'm killing a guy through a smoke, which is pretty nice. Too many smokes in middle at that place, so I could kind of see him. So I throw a flash for my teammates over on the A side, and they trade a kill there. And now I'm on a 1-on-3, and I'm fast behind. I know they won't expect me here. So I killed two guys really fast, which is pretty nice. Important here is that I instant rotate away, so that Flames now will have to he still has to be worried that I'm behind now, but what I've already done is I've already rotated all the way towards middle. Now he planted the bomb and it's a 1-on-1. I'm expecting him to be close here because he would probably search here. It would be a good afterplant, and yeah, I just killed him pretty fast there. So it was a nice 1-on-3 and nice smoke kill in the early round, so good round by me. So we keep watching the OG game here. This is a few rounds after, round 7 also. So yeah, I'm running towards my usual spot and it looks like they are coming to me this time. So I get the opening kill on Manto here. It's a good Molotov and it's a peek that some AWPers like to do. So I decided that it would be good to take the AWP here, because Casper, he didn't have an AWP in this round, as I'm also the secondary AWPer. I'm holding here, leaving towards the A side now. I think they're afraid of me. Looks like they're going towards the A side now. Some trades over there, and this time I'm not going in the back, but I'm choosing to come connector with my AWP here. So it's 3-on-3 now. I'm just holding here with the AWP. It's a good line to hold. OG is pressured, they don't have a smoke. Get a kill on Flames. And as I remember, I think Valde ends up saving this round. Yeah, we take that. So we got another round here. It's a bit later in the half against OG as well. Getting smoked off, seems like. Smoke the molly, I'm peeking middle now. I mean, I get some good control here, like smoking off the molly, blocking them on B, also helping the guys in the middle. Trying to get some spam through the smoke. So yeah, just chilling a bit for now. Waiting to see what's gonna happen. Reloading, always a good idea when low on bullets. So I think I'm gonna get a flash here, yeah. Picking out, yeah. So it's a high risk as well, going out there. But I mean, I got a flash from my teammate, but the thing with the flash that I got there is that it doesn't blind that specific spot. So that's a bit unfortunate as well. So I think in general that like my play here was okay. Getting a flash from my teammate, trying to get an opening pick on the B side area, which is kind of nice to get control. Also, we saw that in the previous round that OG decided to rotate towards A, so maybe getting the information could also be ideal. But in this scenario, it doesn't work out, and yeah, sometimes that just happened. Maybe I could have been a bit more aware that that spot wasn't getting flashed, but yeah, sometimes we have to take the good with the bad. Now we are in the same game against OG, and now we have switched over to the T side. It's 10-10, it's a close game, and like we don't have the best buy, but cadiaN still has an AWP, we got some rifles, and in this round I could only afford a Tech 9. I would try to create some space for my teammates here with the Tech 9, which is like the ideal thing to do when your teammate has the superior weapon. Always remember to play for the team and not the stats boys. Molly up banana, pretty default so far. Standing here with Refresh and Casper on B side. This is our default, kind of. Throwing a nade towards middle if there was a guy creeping up there. So right now just chilling here. I can hear Flames still in there, smoking out. So now right now we are just like kind of waiting to see what OG is going to do, waiting their grenades out. So yeah, Refresh is coming with me here. I think we're going to do now is trying to take this cave control in here, which is quite important. Looks like I'm peeking there. We get this control. And if there would have been a CT in there, either I would have killed him or Refresh would have traded 100%. So we go even further, and yeah, they end up pushing banana, and we end up losing a round, if I can remember correctly. It's a bit later, now we are unfortunately behind, so we need to gather some rounds now. I'm running towards B, which I usually do here. Again, a molly up banana, pretty default to stop the aggression from the CTs. Trying to flash middle away so the AWP can't peek me. Tessus unfortunately dies down on banana. So now it leaves us in a 4-on-5, but it's not lost yet. You have to remember that you can always win a 4-on-5 because the CT still have to play like a few guys on the A side as well. So when entering the B bomb side, it's not a 4-on-5 on that side. So always remember that you can still come back from a quick death. Like everyone is gathered towards B, so like we're most likely not going A this time around. I think we're going to try to get this control here. As I said before as well, it's pretty important. Get this control, which is nice in a 4-on-5 to get this control. Still a very winnable round. So we're getting smoked off here now, which is a bit problematic, but not the worst, not the worst. We can still win the round. Get a boost over the smoke here, see if we can get a cheeky opening. Doesn't look like it. cadiaN is lining up this molly second box, which is nice. Refresh gets a spam kill. We come out here. Time is running low. Killing Manto. One more. Oh, he's in, yeah, from behind, killing the bomb planting. End up losing the round of no time, obviously. Pretty lucky that Nico gets the spam through the bomb planting there. Now it's round 26. OG doesn't have that good money either. It's an important round for sure. Going to throw the molly again up towards banana, stopping the aggression. So I'm meeting a bit resistance here with the molly. So here in this situation, Flames is out throwing a grenade, and I kill him through the smoke, and I take the space here. How like the map is functioning, when I kill Flames in cave there, I know that it's 100% clear, like 9 out of 10 times, because there's only usually one CT holding that spot. So when I get the kill through the smoke, let me take this control fast. It's good for the team, we have this control, so that's what I do. And I end up killing Nexta here again, and yeah, I mean, and now the round is lost for OG, for sure. We've killed the two B players defending the B bomb side. I see no other option for OG than to save here. Nexta, you could see that he wasn't expecting me in there, and that's what really good about like following your intuition. Not thinking too much about, should I do this, should I not do this? Always follow your gut feeling, and you can always learn from what happens afterwards then. I hope that you learned a thing or two here from the ancient game against OG. There was both some defensive stuff on the CT side, but also some entering on the T side. I would always recommend that you guys watch demos. Like, it's one of the best ways to become even better at this game. Always go into HLTV, look at the rankings, who's the best teams in the world, what are they doing, because they are usually the ones doing the correct thing.